Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add numbering list on the right side in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Then we create a page. Click right button to the page and click Add Page. Then click OK. Then select the frame text tool and draw a text frame. Then write anything to this text box. Now I am write some text. Then select the all text. Then go to the paragraph option and we can see here many options. Now I am enable the bullet and numbering. Then select the bullet drop down menu, choose any bullet point or the numbering. Now I am select the numbering is 1 to 3. Now we want to make the number the right side, select the right align option and we can see here the start numbering and start 1. You can change this, otherwise you can control the numbering manual only or the below current level list. Now we can see we make the number list right side very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.